Peace and love, everyone. This is Akili, and we're back at it again with another banger. So, 7 years ago, I went viral. I was dealing with these officers in front of my house. I told you guys I've been studying this for about 10 years. I kind of jumped into things and went head first in a lot of it, so I had to sit down and do some more reading. But here is a video of me dealing with these officers. Make sure you pay attention to the wordplay and the demeanor of how the officers were acting. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we're going to get into this video. Peace.
Okay. Well, I asked for your supervisor. I asked for a supervisor.
Okay.
You guys have not. You guys have not given me that. This is private property. I would like to acknowledge that this is private property.
You wanted a supervisor and you didn't answer my question.
Okay, but I'm not. Am I obligated to? Am I obligated?
Walk up and knock on the door.
But am I obligated, sir?
What's that? No, you're not obligated.
Okay, thank you. No, am I obligated to answer your question?
No.
Okay then. Well, thank you. Well, okay, thank you, sir. You guys have a good day. But I don't have. There's no warrant for my arrest. I've done nothing. But thank you. You said I'm not being detained, and I choose to go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. You have a good day. Thank you. You guys are right now. Hey, listen. This conversation is supposed to be consensual. It's not consensual right now. I asked to speak to your supervisor. You have not obliged and done that. So I am not going to get. I don't have to answer any of your questions though. I'm not obligated to do that.
To use his story.
But I'm not obligated, and that's fine. I'm not obligated to do that.
For assault. Then
For assault for what? When there's people out here that seen me touch or harm no one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Okay, but there has to be a harm.
You know the code. You know the code.
I don't need the code. I stand on the law of the land. Did you guys take an oath? Did you take an oath to protect the Constitution? I don't have an oath. I'm not obligated in any way. I have no contracts with you whatsoever. No contracts. No contracts with the state that takes away my right. No, listen to this. Listen to this. I have no contracts with the state that takes away my right to defend myself. So if somebody comes up on me, I'm going to exercise that right, whether or not your code says so, because I don't have a contract with you. Thank you. I don't have a contract with you. You figured that out.
I said that's what we're trying to.
Okay, well, I don't have a contract with you. I'm not under your jurisdiction.
What code you are?
There's no, it's not. How?
You live in the state of Iowa.
Okay. What evidence do you have? What evidence do you have that any code that you say that code that you say applies to me? No, I'm not a sovereign citizen.
What's your name?
Do I have to have a name?
What's your name?
Am I obligated to tell you that? You have not given me. I asked for your supervisor, sir. That's all. Your supervisor knows the law. I would like to speak to somebody who would know the law.
Well, okay, well, it doesn't matter whether he knows the law. He can't tell you because you don't know the law.
Listen, I do know the law. I know I have a natural God-given right. Okay, well, I recognize that I'm not a part of your society. I'm not a part of your society. I never agreed to be a part. Huh? No, I have not kidnapped any child. There is no child inside of the house.
Okay.
Thank you very much. You listen. You guys said I don't. You guys said I'm not obligated to speak to you, and I can go. So I choose to go. I've answered as many questions. You guys have not. You guys have not brought me your supervisor. So you guys are not acting under your oath now. Thank you. Have a good day, sir.